Alright, I got me some flooring. I wonder if this will be enough. But yeah, I was walking through Home Depot. In the corner of my eye, I saw one of these someone took out of a box. And so me and one of the employees hunted it down. So I grabbed some. Perfect thickness, click lock style. Shoot, I was supposed to do the walls. Oh, see, that's my problem. I always start another project before I finish the project I was working on, because I was supposed to do the walls and the ceiling. And what do? I go and buy flooring. Ridiculous, man, ridiculous. Obviously, this is not how you set it up. I just want to get a general idea of what it looks like. Heck yeah, I'm stoked. All right, now for the decision. Do I do the flooring or finish the walls? All right, so I was going to, he's so cute, laying on all the tapestries. So I was gonna just go ahead and finish the framing. But I started doing it and I was like, you know what? This is lame. So I got the flooring and picked up a kit so I can install it. Everything but the hammer. It's okay, I already have a hammer. I calculated, measured, length to width. I'm short 14, but we're gonna work around this. I'm taking this out. So I need to take this out again and unbolt this. We all know what that means. I'm gonna repaint this, rebuild this. So, gotta pick these up, vacuum, clean it, and then start laying. All right, got this beast out. This is the difficult part. I built it in a way that it can withstand some weight. So I've got these bolts right here going through with nuts in the bottom, meaning I have to hold a Phillips head on top and I think it's an 11 millimeter on bottom, and take it off. But anyways, all right, step one's done. Step two, let's pull this up. All right, so it looks like we got our first problem. There it is. There's the battery box in the way. Shoot, that's not good. We're definitely not installing this the same way either. All right, so I started unscrewing this and I heard the nut fall. There it is. Now let's hope these can all be pulled out the same way. All right, so 2 of them came out. 2 over here, 4 over here are stuck. All right, I was able to reach up. Heck yeah. Nice. All right, pulled all that carpet out. I'm kind of worried about these. I don't want them rotting. All right, I'm just sanding down some spots over here. There are a couple black dots or speckles over there, probably from the water, the 5-gallon water jug I usually keep over here. Just because I don't want to seal anything under here, so just sanding it down. Now they're all cleaned up. I just got to fix some of these that are poking up. Either take them out and drill some new ones. Yeah, I think there's a couple over here. One right there, one right there, one right there. All right, so this is probably gonna be the hardest section out of all of this. but I guess we need to leave a gap. So I'm definitely putting some molding around these edges for sure. Just had some lunch, or dinner I should say. This is more difficult than I thought. Especially because once I cut something, it's worthless. Because you need these lips. There's lips on this end, that end. So they can interchange. But let's get back to it. All right, slowly but surely. I think one tip I've got for those who are doing this is because when they're click lock style. So let's say you cut it right here, like this. This end has to be on the very left side because you can't connect anything to it. So it's got to be on the edge. So you kind of have to, it's kind of like Tetris. You got to plan accordingly so that you can use, most of the planks. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to get another box. I thought I had it. Anyways, I'm thinking. Alright, time to load the van up, come back tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 2. Got me another box. We're gonna finish this. Alright, this is looking beautiful. I must say so myself. Alright, so since I got a new pack, we're gonna pull this out because it's out of place. Pull that out. Cut this one back and then add a bigger piece right here. Alright, let's sweep this up, get the laying. So one tip I've got for those who are installing something like this in a van, I don't have much space over here. So if your area or floor looks something like this, I would suggest getting 2, especially if you have to order online. Because if you have to order online, now you gotta wait for shipping. So second is, this is click lock style. So there is a little groove right there and a groove right there. So when you install these, you have to lift up, down, and then you have to give it a tap with this block. If this block does not sit flush like that, you will break this, making this piece worthless. I've got a piece in here somewhere. Oh, right here. Right there. See that little chip? I know it's not much, but once you butt something up against this, then it's gonna be real noticeable because then it's gonna push this whole section up. So make sure you line it up properly before you go tapping. So this is pretty much a full floating floor, so it's not glued down, It definitely won't be going anywhere as soon as I put an edging around here. So literally, you lift up and that's it. But yeah, we're taking this piece out just because it looked weird. So in my opinion, it helps to connect when you got more than one plank. And it helps to, wait, hold on. It helps to connect them on this end first, slide them into the groove, and then slide it over to the left, as opposed to installing one, because then you have to, once you install this one, you have to tilt it up so you can fit this into this and then slide this into that. So it helps just to connect these two first and then slide it into its location. So I decided to use some sealant, cover these holes up. That was for the swivel table. I'm definitely not gonna do the bolt with the nut on the end. Probably just gonna screw it down. Also, another quick tip is don't tap it too hard or you will start to buckle. Like right here. I can't see it, but it's there. And I had to restart that part. Nice. Nice little cut. I gotta do the same to this one. It's looking good. So I was about to trace this right here and cut it. And then I realized this almost looks like this, which almost looks like this. I don't want to waste any more planks because it's so wasteful. What to do, what to do, what to do. Either leave it or throw something else on. Probably just throw something else on. Boom. All done. Nice. Looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, now I gotta decide what looks good with the, what paint I want. I love copper. Copper looks good with this. Yep, black. Not doing purple. Like a dark blue. Oh, do I have this? No, I don't. Thought I had those paint strips. Oh, yeah, I like black. I wish there was a way to do black walls, but I mean, I could just go for it. I mean, why not? But anyways, this is where I'm gonna end it here. I just gotta put some edging around here, around here. I was gonna put some planks down over here, but these bolts are protruding, so I'll just use carpet like I normally do. Maybe use this carpet, that, or maybe cut this up. That's a good idea. Cut that up, put it right there. Well, hopefully on the next video, we'll get the walls and the ceiling up, get all these electrical wires covered up. But I appreciate you guys, sticking around through this build. I know it's not what I'm used to doing, used to going to the beach or going to Tahoe or whatever, but I really need to finish this van up so I can stop worrying about it. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Later.